In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add students manually to an offer Kajabi. This is perfect when you need to grant access after an offline purchase, a scholarship, or a special arrangement without sending someone through a checkout page. Start by opening your Kajabi dashboard and heading to the Contacts area. This is where you manage all the people in your database. Once you're there, look for the button that says Add Contacts, then choose Add Single Contact. This tells Kajabi you're adding one person manually rather than importing a list. A form will appear asking for the contact's details. Enter their email address carefully. That's the key identifier Kajabi uses to create or match the account. Adding a first and last name is helpful for personalization, but the email is the most important piece. Take a moment to double-check for typos, since an incorrect email will prevent the student from receiving their login and could create duplicate records. In the same window, look for a section labeled Extra Actions or something similar. Choose Grant Offer. This is the crucial part that connects the new contact with the access they need. From the list, select the exact offer you want to grant. Remember, in Kajabi, an offer is what gives access to one or more products. By granting the offer here, you're giving the student access to those products without charging them. This doesn't change your pricing or checkout setup. It simply grants access directly. Once everything looks correct, contact details and the selected offer, click Save. Kajabi will take it from there. If the email you entered is brand new to your site, Kajabi creates a user account automatically and assigns the offer's product access. If the contact already exists, the offer is added to their existing profile. The student will receive 2 emails in most cases. New users get a welcome email with login information so they can set their password and sign in. Additionally, they'll receive an offer grant confirmation email letting them know they now have access. If the person already had an account, they'll typically only receive the offer confirmation. It's a good practice to remind students to check their inbox, as well as spam or promotions folders, and to whitelist your sending address if needed. That's all there is to it. Add the contact, grant the offer, save, and Kajabi handles the rest. This simple workflow keeps your enrollments organized and ensures students get immediate access and clear instructions.